Hello everyone, welcome to another vibrant swatch video, and this time we are going to be swatching all the 24 colors of the HIMI Acrylic set. This set comes in this compact box and holds 24 exorbitant range of colors. These are 60 ml bottles which are so convenient to use. It has all the essential range of colors to build and create our precious art piece. Acrylic paints have a lot of advantages which makes it a prime reason as to why every artist should possess one. So let us begin with the most awaited part of the video, the color swatches. We are looking at the titanium white, and next we would be moving on to the lemon yellow. The advantage with acrylic paint is that they dry very quickly and they are very flexible and waterproof once they dry. Now looking at the deeper shade of yellow, the primrose, and next on line is the medium yellow. The paints are water based, so there is no odor and we can easily clean our hands and painting tools just by using soap and water. They are so incredibly versatile that they adhere to virtually any surface. So we had a look at earth yellow, the bright orange, salmon pink, ponceau, a very deep red which is the oriental red, and the maroonish looking deep red. Moving on to pink, we're looking at the rose shade, the vibrant violet, this is a very nice blue, the acid blue, and the cobalt blue. So as said, they bond so well with almost all surfaces, which includes glass, wood, canvas, metal, paper and more. So we saw two more dark shades, the ultramarine and the Prussian blue. Now we're looking at the yellow green, which has a tint of yellow in it, the grass green, the very unique jade green, and the olive green. So these paints offer great flexibility to create detailed work, layering and textured impasto techniques. Did you know wet on wet techniques can be used with acrylic just like oil painting? So once open, acrylic paints have a very good shelf life when properly stored in a cool dry place. And we saw blackish green, ochre, burnt umber, and with black we complete the swatches of all the 24 rich pigmented colors. So don't you think it's time to go and grab your HIMI acrylic paint set from our Thuvi website? Go explore the Thuvi website, your one-stop destination for all your art needs, and gift yourself and your loved ones endless art supplies. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.